One of my favorite things to do around the New Year holiday season is movie nights with my family. For this movie night design, I want to play around with the typography and make it more fun. The serif font I tried first feels a little bit too serious, probably better suited for a book cover. I want to make it feel bolder and more exciting. I love this Art Deco font. It really nails that vintage vibe. To mix things up, I'll use this swashy typeface for the word night. Its rounded swashes add a really nice contrast to the clean straight lines of that Art Deco font. Follow to see the finished piece. One of my favorite things to do around the New Year holiday season is movie nights with my family. Now, I'm focusing on the color details. Working on colors is one of my favorite things to do. For example, I think this design could really pop if I add some darker shades of a pinkish color, like red. Using the Shape Select tool, I could pick out each shade and apply the red to create this bold look. It really makes the design stand out so much more. And with the Space tool, we can also adjust the negative space between the two words to make the design look more balanced. Follow to see the finished piece. I'm making some final tweaks to the composition to make the design stand out. Since my swatch letters are italicized, I'll move them down to create a multi-line layout. This helps guide the viewer's eye through the design and make it feel more dynamic because the design now activates more negative space. Follow to see the finished piece. And here is the bonus. I picked this swashy font for a reason. It has many alternate letter styles I can swap in to my design to make the typography pop. Using the glyph substitution feature inside Typogram, I can choose different versions of this letter and plug them into my design. And here we go. Now the composition feels much more dynamic and interesting. Follow to see more updates.